Transform your life, how investing 3% of your income in personal development can make a huge difference in your life. Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Cheryl Adams. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop. Some examples of investing in yourself include education, taking courses or attending workshops to learn new skills or expand your knowledge, health and wellness, joining a gym or hiring a personal trainer to improve your physical health, or investing in therapy or counseling to improve your mental health, which is vastly important. Networking, attending industry events or joining a professional association to connect with others in your field. Yes. Personal projects, one of my favorites. Pursuing hobbies or creative projects that allow you to explore your interests and passions. Mine is cooking, reading, baking. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about investing just 3% of your income in personal development and how it can have a huge impact on your life. First, let's define what we mean by personal development. Personal development refers to any activity, process that helps you grow as a person, learn new skills, or improve your knowledge. This can include things like taking courses or workshops, working with a coach or mentor, joining a networking group, pursuing hobbies or creative projects, and more. I like hobbies. So why is it important to invest in yourself? In this way, for starters, personal development can help you increase your earning potential. You hear that? By learning new skills or expanding your knowledge, you can become more valuable to employers or clients, which can lead to higher salaries or rates. But beyond the financial benefits, personal development can also have a profound impact on your overall quality of life. It can help you build confidence, improve your relationships, reduce stress, and find greater meaning and purpose in your life. That is so true. Now, you might be thinking that investing 3% of your income sounds like a lot, but the truth is, slow down, it doesn't have to be. You can start small by reading books or articles, watching videos, or attending free events related to your interests or goals. Over time, you can gradually increase your investment as you see the positive impact it has on your life. Trust me, it has. Comment if this has been helpful. You will never go broke by investing in yourself. I have invested in mentors, I've invested in coaches, I've invested in challenges, products, books, and courses. Yes, I like 30-day challenges. So there you have it. Investing just 3% of your income in personal development can truly transform your life. Whether you're looking to advance your career, improve your health and well-being, or simply find greater fulfillment, there is no better investment than yourself. You are your best investment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Blessed.